Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Discovery. The Discovery is a mid-sized SUV with true off-road capabilities from the British carmaker Land Rover. This 5-door SUV will take you through town with ease and allow you comfort and security in extreme driving conditions, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, rain sensing wipers, 4-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.